girl, get the check. Running through the streets, we ain't playing games. Roll up on the block, now they know the names. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yesterday I was gonna do an unboxing video, but I'll just show you what I got yesterday. Paper might actually still be in here, yeah. So, where are the actual shoes? Okay, the shoes are back here. I forgot where I lined my shoes up at. But no, I got these yesterday. One of one. If you know, you know. Like I said, got these yesterday. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the shoes. The shoes are the La France shoes, one of one. These shoes are bulky, they're awesome, but they fit snug, and I love it. So, we lit. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the other video that I uploaded. It was crazy. We out. Yeah, this how we move. Yeah, this how we move. Hey, yeah, this how we move. That's your. Yeah, this how we move. Yeah, oh yeah, that's how we move.